Radiokatu 6 in Länsi-Pasila, Helsinki, staircase A. In 1983 vs 6428. One rising off because this busy. Staircase is very nice. Or, yeah. This yellow doors are also amazing. It's a 4-person, 325 kilograms. This is very busy now, unfortunately.
So it has 8 floors.
Yeah.
And memory. That's the most important one.
Yeah.
As it has 8 floors. And I think the two other ones have only 6 and 5 floors.
Yeah.
Or maybe B has 7 and C has 6 if there's a basement floor in C. I don't know.
Yeah.
But we will get there in August or September.
Yeah.
Because we have only time for the most important one today.
Yeah.
Do you think we can take another ride on this?
Yeah.
I am. Let's do it then quick. Since the 7th floor actually has a terrace apartment, I thought the 7th floor would be locked off with someone.
Yeah.
But it's like a penthouse apartment.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool. Although it is still early 1980s, but still they built like a penthouse there.
Yeah.
Quite luxurious. Must be a very big apartment there.
Yeah. Expected parkki-wise pitänyt me eteenpäin autossa. Nowadays practice, unfortunately.
Oh yeah. But still there could have been a green, also a green button. B or 1 could be green.
Yeah.
Maybe 1 should have been green. But they could have had 2 green buttons also.
Yeah.
But I think this was the most amazing one in this building.
Yeah.
And the 2 other ones are not as amazing, but we will get them later.
Yeah.
Yeah, alright. That was perfect.
Yeah.
And the most important one.
That's it.